police helmets everywhere. Come here and ripped the cables out of the walls. This says Feng Mendan, which means sealed door order, and it was sealed on the 7th of March 2019. Let's see if we can unseal it. No. And you can see somebody's just come here and ripped the cables out of the walls, sell them for copper. The place I actually want to get to are those two gas towers over there. There's a lot of security around here though. Security guard is right over there. I'm not sure if he saw me. Hopefully he was looking the other way. I'm going to sneak behind those green gas towers. See if I can get past him. These metal stairs are shaking. They've been cut off at the bottom. Should be strong enough to hold me though. This one's filled up with water. Wow, that is really beautiful. Burbex! Burbex! Oh, look at this. There's loads and loads. Oh my god, I have never seen this many floppy disks before. There's so many. So many floppy disks. CDs and VHS as well. How strange. Some of my younger viewers might not know what these are, but these are actually floppy disks. These were around before CD-ROMs. Each one of these contains about 1.4 megabytes of information. Not a lot, is it? But there used to be whole computer games on these. And right here there are tens of thousands of abandoned floppy disks. It's very strange. Not only that, but there's police helmets everywhere. Look, there's a police helmet. You can see on here it says Jingcha. Jingcha means police in Chinese. Look, here's another one. Oh, this one's still got the visor on it. Oh, that is awesome. And actually, if you look over here, there are some more. There's like the black ones. Oh. You can probably hear those dogs, but they're on the other side of the wall, so they're not going to be able to chase me. It's alright though, because none of them are real guard dogs. They are just mutts with a lot of bark, but not a lot of bite. One thing that you'll always find in abandoned places in China is mahjong pieces. Look, this one here, that's called yi bing. Yi means one, bing means like cake or a pie, something round. This one, that means like the north wind. That one means the east wind. I can't see the others though. The interesting thing about mahjong in China is that it used to be an imperial game that was only played in the courts. After the revolution, everybody started playing it, and everybody kind of got hooked on it and got addicted, because it's a very addictive game, and games can last sometimes even days at a time. And people were gambling a lot of money on this, so as a result of that, the Chinese government basically banned gambling. But there are some underground gambling houses that you can go to, and every different city has its own style of mahjong as well. I know how to play Jiangxi mahjong.